Hello, this is Mrs. Wong here. In this video, we'll be going through the MYE question 3. So a group of 16 EL teachers were asked how many minutes they spend on average to mark an essay assignment. So the results are given in a stem and leaf diagram. And we are given the median time of 17.5 minutes and the mean time of 19.25 minutes. And we were asked to show the value of A and the value of B, 9 and 3 respectively. So given this stem and leaf, okay, we will use the median time now first, okay, to find the value of either A or B. So there are 16 English language teachers. So if I were to find the median position, we will get the median position at 8.5, which means that we have to look at the 8th and 9th value, calculate the average to get the median time of 17.5. So if we go back to our stem and leaf diagram, okay, so the smallest value will be the first, then second, and so on and so forth. So third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and 8, and 9. Okay, so this our 8 and 9 position. So now we have to add them together to get the median time. Now, however, because this is a stem and leaf diagram, the 8th value is not 6 minutes. The 8th value is actually 16 minutes. And the 9th value is not A minutes, but 10 plus A minutes. So let's write that down. Okay, so I've written down here. Okay, to get the median, we actually need to take 16 plus 10 plus A, okay, divide by 2 to get 17.5. Then we will go ahead and solve this to get the value of A. So solving for A, we will get the value of A as 9. Okay, then let's go on to use the mean time of 19.25 minutes to actually find the value of B. So if we want to calculate the mean, we will actually have to add all the timings together divided by 16, since there are 16 values, to get 19.25. Okay, so that will help us get the value of B since we already have the value of A. So we are going to now add everything together. Okay, I'm going to write the working up here. Okay, so the definition for mean, I have to add up the total timings divided by 16, which will give me 19.25. So one thing to note over here, okay, the value for B, okay, is actually 20 plus B. Okay, then I just need to solve this to find my value of B. Okay, so I will get 305 plus B is actually 308. So B is actually 3. So we have shown the values of A and B, okay, being 9 and 3 respectively. Let's go on to the next part. Part B requires us to find the standard deviation of the time spent. Okay, so we can actually use our calculator to help us with this. Okay, we can also make use of the formula. Okay, so we can find the value of summation of fx squared. You can add up from the values given, or you can use a calculator to help you. And we should get this corrected to 3SF. Now we'll now go on to the next part. For part C, we are given the information of a second group of teachers. So the mean is 3.1 minutes more than the first group, and the standard deviation is 5.8 minutes less than the first group. And we are asked to make two comparisons between the two groups of teachers for the time they take to mark an essay. For this question, we simply have to talk about the performance of the two groups of teachers. So in this case, the group which marks faster, okay, the group which uses a shorter mean amount of time to mark would be considered faster. And the second comparison that we can make is the consistency. Okay, so the group which has a smaller standard deviation would actually be more consistent in terms of their performance, okay, when I actually compare across the group of teachers. Sorry, compare within the group of teachers. So we can write down these two comparisons. So the answers can be something like this. So this is it for question 3.